What's going on, guys? Biker Dave here with a little life hack home tip for you, whatever you want to call it. If you use, chapstick, or I like to use Burts Bees, quite honestly, because other forms of chapstick or that kind of stuff sometimes irritates my freaking lip, causes issues, whatever chemicals are in it. So I like to use more natural stuff, and Burt's Bees is one of my favorite. Anyway, use whichever you like. However, when you get to the end of using it, and there's like none left in there, and you can't get any more out of it, you say, well, dang, it's empty, I guess. I'm going to throw it away. Hold on before you do that. You can actually save what's left and put it into an emptier one, and just keep filling an empty one, and you'll make you a brand new one again. So, let's say you had something like this here. This has obviously been completely emptied. And how do I do it? Put it in your microwave. Put one of these, whatever you got, put it in the microwave for maybe 30 seconds or so. It just depends on your microwave. But put it in there until it liquefies. It will then liquefy, and then you can pour this into an empty one and just keep filling it with, whatever empty ones you got, and you can make you a brand new one and start over again. I know some of you may not think that's helpful, but I do, because I obviously have several sort of empty ones that still have a little bit left, and you could just combine it all into a fresh one, and there you have it. If our video helped you out, make sure you click the thanks button underneath the screen, and look through our channel. We've got, hundreds of videos relating to working stuff around the house. If you got a motorcycle, dirt bike, car, ATV, scooter, general household repairs, things like that, just have a look. Like, subscribe, follow, and we also have an eBay store, Amazon store relating to motorcycle parts and tools. So look for the links in the description, and y'all have a great day. We'll see you all later.